What you said?
I say if my hair have many white hair, my hair has many white hair, I will not color it. I will not color to cover it.
So this is all hypocrisy. If this will happen, I will not do it. When there is one or two, keep it as it is.
Okay.
This is what everyone says. They are all hypocrites has this kind of reasoning and rationalization. One of my friend, he said that when he started having white hair, then his wife said that only when I will also have white hair, then you should stop coloring it. So now he is still coloring. Both of them have white hair. This is the way of postponing. You don't want to face reality that you are moving towards the grave. This is totally American hypocrisy which you are following. You are growing old. Don't try to show off that you are sexually very young. That is the only thing. Otherwise, what difference it makes whether you have white hair or black hair? Why can't you reveal your reality? Whatever is the reality, whatever is the actuality, your body is growing old. Just let it be as it is. Why you have to be fake like all other? When you have black hair, then you try to show to other that you are powerful. That is also one of the reason. One of my friend who works in an apartment, he says that if I will have white hair, then they will not be afraid of me. So when you have black hair, then the people who see you, they will treat you as you are young, so you will be more strong. But this is bullshit. Anyone who has some intelligence will know that you are growing old, and they can also see your coloring. It's not real. Just being fake is not going to help you in any way, especially those who are in search of truth. Don't just move your head like this. This is sheer disrespect of nature. When it had given you black hair, then you were not in any way grateful. Now when the white is coming, you are tearing it. See your utter idiocy. This is nothing, just being ungrateful. This is the law of life. If you are born, you will grow old and you will die also. You will have some sickness also. This fight which we go on having with nature is our suffering, is our misery, is our tension. When you are so fake that you cannot even show your real hair, and how you will be a seeker of truth? Just moving your head won't work.
Yes.
So stop tearing your white hair. See it in the mirror. That will help you to grow more mature. That you are no longer teenager. You have to behave like an adult, a grown-up person.
Yes.
This is the ugliest thing of the modern world, Western world, that everyone wants to be always a teenager. You should be what you are. And your maturity should also increase according to your age. That video of Manasi Chiller which you sent. And thing is that when a meditator sees something, he wants to see the depth of the person. And they are not mostly in search of negative things. So that is what I saw try to saw her inner heart. That was good in that video, the first one. But then I saw one interview which you sent and the other which I saw on my own. Then I felt that it is all fake. She's as childish as these people, these powerful people, they hope, they expect from these so-called role models to be. Because if they are very intelligent, if they are very mature, then they cannot be exploited and they cannot be used as a tool to destroy you. So in this beauty contest, there is one segment which is called Beauty with a Purpose. Or the purpose of these people, they may be calling it beauty with a purpose. But even they are not aware of the purpose. The purpose is to corrupt the whole society, corrupt the culture, and especially to destroy India. And today I marked that she became Miss World in 2017 in Beijing. So whatever these people do, even they are giving Nobel Prizes, it is not free. It is not just appreciation of your talent. They have to use you in certain way for their own vested interests. So China has a lot of influence. China can buy all those judges and they can influence anything. That is what they go on doing. They are very good in purchasing people. So maybe if 2, 3 of whatever number of judges are there, if 1 or 2 you have bought, and it is not that she was not talented among those people, she must be talented. But then if 2 or 3 judges are in her favor, then she will win. But if it is happening in Beijing, and they have some secret deal, then she will serve their interest. And in the interview, you can see many things which she will be doing. It was just the beginning when she became. Maybe that was the first or one of the first interviews of her. So, the beginning, it had already begun. Like the man who was taking her interview, he is himself a very corrupt man. Some Sardesai, I've forgotten his initial, but very anti-Hindu, anti-India and especially Modi, because he wants to spread Christianity. He is a Christian. So he asked about the question which was asked to her, that you said that mother is the profession. Motherhood is the profession which deserves maximum salary. That was her answer when she was asked. It looks like even the question was all set, prepared, and that is what she was told to answer. Now the first thing, if you make being a mother into a profession, you have already destroyed its purity. If this is a profession, then there will be no love. And you are giving her salary. What kind of thing? You are destroying the family. You are sowing the seed of destruction. And that is what they want. These modern communists, and they want to corrupt your culture. That is now they don't want to bring communism through politics by winning election, but by corrupting your culture. And they want to bring this woke culture, where fact doesn't matter. What matters is ideas. So even if it is not factually untrue, whatever idea you want to propagate, you will be fighting for it. You don't care for what is fact, what is truth. Only the idea which you want to inculcate, you want to sow as a seed, you will be very fanatic about it. So, when you are saying that the mother should be paid salary, then from whom you are expecting? Maybe you are expecting from the government, that government should start giving her salary. Or you are expecting from the husband. Then you are destroying the delicate relationship between the husband and wife. And if government is paying to every mother, the government will go bankrupt. So it may look like a simple answer, but there is the seed of destruction in it. So it is beauty with purpose of destroying India. And then this one, the new one who has won Miss Universe will also be doing the same thing. When a mother is on salary, there will be no heart involved. There will be no love at all. You're calling it as a profession. This is degrading it to such a low level. And in this way, you will destroy the families. You will destroy all families. You will create division within the family. That is what these Britishers wanted. Divide and rule. And that is what they are applying. In the family, you will create divisions. If mother is not being paid good salary, then she will be always unhappy, annoyed, and then she will not do good service to the children. Someone called, I think, Lord Edgin, he was the man who devised this way to create division within India, divide and rule. So now they are bringing it in the family also. And these people, they have, whatever they do, they have a purpose behind it. Whether they are doing charity, whether they are missionary of charity, whether they are serving people, they are not at all interested in serving people. They are interested in sinning. And she is talking about that I am a dreamer. If there is a word, I will invent, she is a greeder, not a dreamer. She is just seeking opportunity. Whatever opportunity comes her way, she will just jump on it. So anything which serves her interest, she is calling that when I am proud of my country. And when India won it, India is not winning it. It is you who is winning it. India has nothing to do with it. And you don't know what India is. And your country, you say that your country, you love this country, my country. But the prior thing is you, the I. And whatever comes out of the center of I will be destructive. It cannot be of any help to anyone. It cannot be auspicious. They are just the way you were using I saw in her interview. She was also just I. Like a goat, she was saying meh. So these kind of people, they are themselves sick. What kind of help they can bring to society? They can be used very easily for those who want to destroy the country. Because all they are interested is in their ambition, is in their greed. If they are given money, they can do anything. Now she was saying that at present I have not decided about films. But then she said that if the opportunity comes, and so the thing is, whatever opportunity comes, she will grab it. It has nothing to do with country. It has nothing to do with people. So she is doing like sanitary napkin and all those things. That is her help. But when these organizations are distributing all those things, it looks like an innocent act, but secretly they will be converting people into Christianity. And we are so naive and we are so stupid and so idiotic that we think they are doing some help. These Christian fathers they are all monsters. They may be showing fake compassion, but they don't know even ABC of compassion. Why they have to come to India? Go to Afghanistan, go to other country, other Muslim country, but they don't have the guts, because there they cannot convert. If you want to convert there, your head will be chopped. So these assholes, these third-rate people, they think that India is the only place where people are not violent, so they can do whatever they want to do. And they are converting very quickly everywhere. What kind of religion is this? If I am not convinced about the message of Christ, you are giving me bread and butter and you are converting me. What kind of conversion is this? What kind of religion is this? There is nothing religious about it. It is all political. These are dangerous people. If you are an obstacle in their path, they can destroy you. And they talk about love. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Love thy enemy as thyself. There is no love at all. And these people, they are from the very beginning destroyed. In the interview, she was all the time saying, Mom. Now, what is mom? Is she a mummy of the Egypt or what? You cannot even say ma. You are born in India. And you suffer from so much inferiority complex that you cannot even address your mother as ma. Nowhere, no Japanese, no Chinese will use this kind of word. They will use their own language. No, but only Indians, they suffer from such inferiority complex. Why one has to call your father daddy? Is there no Indian word for these things? But these people, they are crow and they want to show that they are swan. So, and what you can expect from a 21-year-old girl, she will become a role model. She is just as stupid, as naive as anyone else is. She may have some talent, but that is also something given, but there is no master. You may be having a car which can run at the speed of 300 km per hour. But the driver is missing. There is no brake, there is no accelerator. No accelerator is there, but there is no brake. So there is bound to be an accident. These so-called celebrities, they are always thanking their mother. This is also sheer politics. They may be not liking each other, but in the outside world you have to show that you are so much in love with your mother. It is all sheer hypocrisy. And what these parents, they go on doing, they are totally against love. For them, love is the most dangerous word. They don't want their children to know anything about love. They don't want their children to be loving. What they want from their children is that they should become orderly. They should become mechanical. They should become robot-like, so that they follow their order. But they don't want their children to have a throbbing heart, beating heart. Because if you are a loving person, you cannot just love your parent. If you know what love is, your love is like a rose flower. When it blossoms, it spreads its fragrance everywhere. That they don't want. They are just people who are just shrunken. They want their children to become just a tool which they can use. That's why these people can use, because parents also want their children to be retarded. They don't want their children to become conscious. Because if you are conscious, you cannot be exploited. They want their children to be totally mediocre and retarded. What kind of love these people have? That's why these idiots, they ask such stupid question, and the answer is so stupid that being a mother is a profession. Mother should be given salary. Is she a prostitute or what? That is the whole American philosophy. The whole Western philosophy is to make a prostitute out of everyone. That is their whole mindset. They're so mad after money. If you just love money, you are going to be a very destructive person. If you only love money, then what is the difference between you and a prostitute? Maybe even prostitute is better. She is just selling her body, not her soul. The whole society is so hypocritical, and they want to continue this hypocrisy. They want to remain sick. And those people who say that you are sick, they can only poison them. They can only kill them. We are just wearing mask upon masks. And all these sweetness which are in their word, it is all just facade. It is all mask. It is all fake. It is all put up face. Okay?